Ryanair 7797 taking off on runway 23 left. Oh my god, he's on the runway. He's on the runway. Oh no, we're fine. Okay. ATC, we're disconnecting from your signal and we'll be back soon. Ryanair, this is ATC. You have taken off. You're about to disconnect from my signal. Wind speed about 13 knots, as you can see, a bit of crosswind with the takeoff there. Yeah, have a safe flight. Yeah. We're banking right to Manchester ATC. I'm just going to disconnect from you now. Beep, beep, boop, boop, boop. Alright, ATC's off. Let's just carry on with the flight. Okay. Ryanair has disconnected from ATC. I'm going to see them in a bit. All passengers, we have reached our cruising altitude. We're going to climb for a few more minutes until we begin our descent into Manchester. Remember that you can now take your seatbelts off, put your tray tables down, windows closed, as we're about to begin serving food. So have a nice rest of your flight.
Okay, what do you want some food? Egg sandwich? Okay, that's fine. Do you want cheese sandwich? No, what's more do you want? A model airplane? We don't feel them today, mate. Sorry, but I'm sure we can give them you on the flight back.
Oh, this better be a good flight. Looks like it's going to be warm in Manchester. Yeah, I mean, I've got my binoculars. Check the sky out. Haha. Alright, how about we use that little aircraft scanner thing that they gave us yesterday so we can like see the plane as we're flying. That's cool. All passengers, we're beginning our descent right now, so if you could put your seatbelts on, tray table up and windows open as you normally do. Ryanair 7797 requesting landing on runway 23 left.
Ryanair, this is ATC. Ryanair 7797, you have clearance to land on runway 23 left. Thank you. Have a nice landing.
About to land.
Thank you.
3 minutes,
See you.
So,
Good day, Ryanair.
Yep, I
Good
hope
day.
you have a nice landing and you are fine after it.
Oh, look, little Timmy, I can't speak very well.
As you say, I think we have something wrong with our engines, keeping stalling.
No, I think it's just the crosswind. You'll be right.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. God, that landing was awful.
That's
the first family last time flying Ryanair.
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.
Ryanair requesting taxi clearance.
You have taxi clearance, Ryanair?
All passengers, this is your captain speaking. We have landed at Manchester Airport. Please can you put your tray tables up, windows open, and just stay calm in the aircraft until we board. Keep your seatbelts on, and yeah, when we get to the boarding gate, don't forget to take your seatbelt off, and just enjoy your holiday. See you later. This is your captain speaking. We have arrived at the boarding gate. You may put your seatbelts off. You may take your seatbelts off, and you may get your luggage out of the compartment over your head. You may take your bag from under your seat. And we have arrived in Manchester Airport. I hope you have had a nice flight, and I want to see you again soon. Bye.